Let us see this question of JEEMAINS 2026. This year only this question was asked. In this question, it is given A1, A2 by 2, A3 by 2 square, so on, A10 by 2 to the power 9 are in GB with common ratio 1 by root 2. And sum of A1, A2 up to A10, that's given as 62. We have to find out value of A1. Now, let's see how to solve. First of all, as these are in GB, common ratio 1 by 2. So, what you can do, A2 by 2, which is the second term, that is your first term into common ratio 1 by root 2. This gives you A2 equals to 2 by root 2 into A1, which is equals to root 2 times A1. Similarly, third term A3 by 2 squared, that's product of second term and common ratio. Second term A2 by 2 into common ratio 1 by root 2. From here, value of A3 in terms of A1 we are to calculate. That's your A2 by 2 root 2 into 2 squared. And if you simplify this, it will be your 2 by root 2 into A2. So this is the value of A3. Now we can write this way. A3 equal to root 2 times A2. See, because here 2 means root 2 into root 2, one factor cancel out, that's why root 2 times A2. Now A2 is how much? Root 2 into A1, so root 2 as it is. Value of A2, let us put root 2 into A1. Then value of A3 we obtained. Value of A3, that's equal to root 2 whole square. Keep it this way only. Root 2 whole square A1. See, A1 is your A2 is your root 2 times A1. A3 is your root 2 whole square A1. So by symmetry, now you can say A4 will be root 2 power 3 A1. A5 will be root 2 power 4 A1. Because there is a symmetry. From here it's very much clear that A2 is root 2 times A1, so power 1. Then A3 root 2 whole square A1. So from here what we can say, this series A1, A2, A3, it can be written in terms of A1 only. So if we write it, then what you get, you see, from here A1 as it is, plus put the value of A2, root 2 times A1, plus A3 means root 2 whole square A1, plus so on, plus A10 means root 2 whole to the power 9 A1, which is equal to 62. Now A1 is common, within brackets 1 plus root 2 plus root 2 whole square plus so on plus root 2 whole to the power 9. So which is equal to root 2 whole to the power 9 equal to 62. So this is given, and now this series we have written this way, which is in GP common ratio root 2. Now easily we can find out sum of this. So let us apply the sum formula for GP. A1 as it is into first term is what? 1. Common ratio, in this case common ratio is what? Root 2. Therefore A into R to the power n. R means root 2. Root 2 to the power n means number of terms. So how many terms are there? From 1 to 9, and here you can say root 2 power 0. 10 number of terms are there. So root 2 to the power 10 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. That's it. It's equal to, in the right hand side, that's your 62. I think up to this all steps are clear. Now a little bit simplification left. That's your A1 times. Now see, root 2 to the power 10, it can be written as root 2 whole square whole to the power 5, and if you simplify this, value will be 32. minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1 equal to 62. Now this implies a1 into 31 by root 2 minus 1 equal to 62, and from here you can find out the value of a1 as 62 into root 2 minus 1 whole thing divided by 31. Therefore a1 is equal to 31, it will be cancelled out twice of root 2 minus 1. This is your correct option. You can see in the question option is given. So this is the value of a1.